Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is March 14, 1:30 ng hapon. It's Monday and day off ako kasi last Saturday, Sunday nag-work ako, so day off ako today. One day lang, tapos bukas work na naman. So today we get the time, we will go to Sweden. We're gonna go there to buy the tiles for our tiny house kasi ilalagay dun sa toilet and our kitchen area. Ganon. So that's gonna be the project, and we're gonna buy there because apparently there's more choices to choose doon, and it's way cheaper kaysa dito bumili sa Denmark. So if you add it, you know, the ticket sa boat papunta doon, ganyan mas cheaper pa rin daw talaga. So anyway, punta tayo doon, at least naman may ibang lugar tayong mapupuntahan. But it's 1:30 na ng hapon, so mabilisan lang ito. Punta, tingin-tingin, bili, lagay sa bag, lagay dito sa sasakyan, and then after noon, baka may time pa, so lakad-lakad tayo, baka pwede din kumain doon, I don't know. Yeah, but we have to be back here in Denmark sa gabi kasi the next day work na naman ako. So yun, it's a beautiful day. My husband there, nag-drive. It's a beautiful day kasi napifeel mo na talaga yung spring. It's so sunny. It's still cold, pero I'm not complaining. It's so sunny, sunshine. I love it. And the trees are starting to, you know, become green again. And, you know, flowers are blooming.
Not.
Yeah, but compared to last month. No, I'm not saying it's like super green. Some of them are green, some of them are like
There's not even
brown.
one green.
Yo,
There's no one green.
At the back area.
No. Put your camera in there. There's not a green tree.
Or some of them, it's like a mixture of a bit green and a brown.
There's not a green tree.
So yan. Pero ano, I mean, maganda na yan. Oy, tingnan nyo, may green kaya kahit pa paano. Wala pang masyadong leaves. See, that's a green one.
Yeah, but that's not a.
Yeah, but anyway.
It doesn't got a leaf on.
Yeah.
There's not even one leaf on
Yes,
that
there
one.
is.
No, that's a needle tree.
No, but anyway.
They're green all year round. Congrats.
You're so annoying. But anyway, but you can see it. It's so nice. And yeah, it's like, you know, the sun is up, so meaning the energy is up. Done is the dark days, done is the cold.
Put your camera in there, into this building. So
yeah, I'm doing it.
the one who designed that one, Jan Utzon, famous Danish designer, the same who designed the Opera House in Sydney, Australia.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
Really.
Okay.
And if you are very fast, you can also get a glimpse of the castle.
Where?
It will be on the
pakita daw yung castle
on the left side. I don't know if you can.
Left side. I'm trying. I'm pointing it to the left.
Yeah, left is that way.
Yeah, I'm pointing it to the left, but there's still nothing in there. What's the name of this place now?
You can see it in the end. Now you cannot see it anymore.
No, we can't see.
I saw it.
Oh my God. Is that where Niels and Christina?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, nakapunta na ako doon, guys. Kinasal doon yung friend ni Martin, Danish and then Russian. Ganun. Busy. My line. So guys, nasa ferry na kami actually. Lumabas kami dito, pumasok kami dyan. Pumasok kami dyan and bumili ako ng coffee. There you go. Hindi ko naubos kasi ang bilis lang pala talaga. And now, balik na kami dito sa sasakyan and we're about to go. Okay? Busy. Yan. Busy. All the way yung sasakyan diyan. Kita ba? Up to sa likod. Hello guys, nasa Sweden na kami. Kadarating lang talaga namin, pero there's no big difference. I mean, it just look like Denmark. So yan, sobrang mainit. So we are going directly 43 minutes drive daw at andun na kami sa store kung saan yung mga tiles na titingnan namin. So it's gonna be a long drive, tapos mabilisan kasi 4:36 na, tapos mag-close pala doon yung parang Lea, yung stockroom nila ng 4 ng hapon. So mabilisan, tingin-tingin, ganyan, Bili out, ganyan. And then after nun, gusto kong bumili ng, kasi medyo mura dito kumpara sa Denmark. Bibili ako ng, alam niyo yung parang hair dryer pero brush siya. May nakita ako online ang gusto ko siyang i-try kasi yung buhok ko talaga, oy, nakakainis. Basta, try natin. Baka umeffect sa aking buhok. Gusto ko rin sana magpariban pero hintay-hintay na muna. Ganon. Kakel Giganten.
Butik 100 meter lager, den var.
Oh my god. Stress.
What does it say here?
Hur man kostar det? 111.
Svenska.
Either this one to the toilet, how much? 198 or this one.
But this one.
You know what? We choose this.
Or this one.
I don't like this. I don't like that. It's like too long. It's weird.
They're the same length.
Yeah. So guys, nabili na namin yung aming mga tiles. It was so simple, color white. Small ones for the kitchen and a bit, was it small ones? Yeah, small ones for the kitchen and a bit bigger, a little bit bigger para sa toilet.
I actually didn't check if it was the right one. I just took it.
So then we will have problem.
We will stop.
So anyway, tapos na siya. It costed us 2,000 plus Swedish crowns. And
Almost 2,500.
yeah, around that area. 2,500.
461 if you
Oh
want to be
my
impressed.
gosh, really? Anyway, 2,500 Swedish crowns. And yeah, so nakasave kami guys kasi nga we're using the Swedish money and cheaper price compared sa Denmark. So now, malalagay namin siya doon sa, ano ba? Busy ba?